To make this Mother's Day gift, you need black acrylic paint, a small mini canvas measuring 2.5 by 2.5, a mini easel, both of those are just $1 each, and a scrap piece of adhesive vinyl. You'll also want a foam brush, some painter's tape, and a paper plate. To prepare your workspace, grab your paper plate, your mini canvas, your paint, and your foam brush. Then squirt just a little bit of paint on your plate and you're ready to go. Now you're ready to paint, and a little bit of paint on that foam brush goes a long way. So just dip it a little bit and then start painting away. To get that last edge, put your fingers in the inside of the canvas and hold it so that you can get all the way around. Next, you want to grab your vinyl and cut out your design. This Best Mom Ever SVG is free to newsletter subscribers that create to donate. The link is in the jump rope, or you can just create one of your own. The design is cut, so it's time to start weeding. Grab your vinyl and your weeding tool and get to work. In this case, I didn't end up needing the tool, but it's always good to have just in case. I like to use painter's tape to transfer my vinyl onto another surface because it's cost effective and easy to use. In this case, you just want to rip a couple of strips and place it over the vinyl and then make sure that the vinyl has stuck to the tape. I also like to square it up so that it's easier to place on the mini canvas. Before transferring the vinyl onto the canvas, eyeball it to make sure you like the placement. Then go ahead and set it down and start pressing the vinyl onto the canvas. In the case of a holographic vinyl, I find that it needs a lot of TLC, so take extra time pressing each letter down and removing the tape carefully to make sure that the vinyl stays stuck to the canvas.